Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. When the road fights back with mud, rain, and debris, your bike shouldn't take the hit, and neither should you. That's where the Wunderlich Extreme Inner Fender comes in. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in protection, cleanliness, and comfort. Let's be clear, this isn't your average mudguard. Made from durable ABS plastic and crafted specifically for the BMW F-Series GS models, this inner fender is precision engineered to shield your legs, shock, rear subframe, and electronics from everything the road throws at you. Grit, spray, gravel, you name it. It's also more than just tough. The reinforced sidewalls help dampen vibrations, adding a layer of comfort and quiet that's especially noticeable on long rides or rough terrain. And those 3 slits? They're not just for show. They're visual proof of ingenious design. Aero-acoustic research went into this product, providing a subtle but powerful design choice that helps eliminate sound, not just reduce it. The airflow gets redirected, the resonance disappears, and you get a noticeably quieter ride. Less hum, more harmony. Installation is straightforward, and once it's on, it blends seamlessly into your GS. The dyed-through black finish means that even after miles of punishment, scratches won't reveal an ugly underlayer. So it stays looking sharp for the long haul. It's sleek, it's functional, and it's built in small batches in the EU for quality you can count on. The Wunderlich Extreme Inner Fender is a smart, subtle defense against the daily punishment of adventure riding, so your gear lasts longer and your ride stays cleaner. Protect your ride and ride smarter. Get yours today at wunderlichamerica.com and explore more premium upgrades for your BMW while you're there. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be alerted when our latest tips, tricks, and gear guide videos drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.